Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone without Zelle. So this will come in handy in case you need to pay for some sort of service or goods, let's say through a third-party marketplace like OfferUp or Facebook, and the individual doesn't have Zelle. How do you actually pay them? So we're actually going to use this app called Cash App. Okay, so go ahead and install it from the application store. And if you use my link down below to actually sign up, we'll both instantly get $5 when you sign up. So it's technically free money. Now, the other party that you're going to actually pay, they also need to have Cash App installed as well. So same thing, you could actually have them also use my link so that we both get $5. And then once you actually have it installed, you both need to actually do two things. You need to connect your bank to Cash App, and then you also need to get your cash tag. So it's very easy to actually go ahead and set up your bank. You just need to follow the prompts on the home screen. And as far as getting the cash tag from the other party, go ahead and click on the upper right-hand corner. And then where under their name, it's going to say their cash tag. So it's usually a $ with their name. And then once you have their cash tag, you're going to click on the $ in the middle. And then from here, you're going to enter the dollar amount that you want to be paid out. So let's say $10, for example. Then click on pay, enter their cash tag. So let's say $test. And then afterwards, just click on the checkbox of what their name actually is. Then click on confirm and then click on pay. So I found this to be the best way as far as how to pay someone without Zelle. Let me know if you guys have any better ideas down below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.